You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making Súp Măng Cua, asparagus crab soup that's hearty and comforting to eat. Let's get started. Traditionally, white asparagus is used for this soup. I can only find them canned here. White asparagus has a delicate, earthy, slightly sweet flavor. If you can't find it, green asparagus will do just fine. I'm using canned crab meat today, which works just fine. Boiled quail eggs for a creamy bite. And optionally, Fish Maw. It does have a fishy flavor and adds a spongy textural bite. You can definitely leave this out if it's not for you. Let's rehydrate these in water. Put a weight on it to keep them submerged for about 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, they should be soft and spongy. Cut them into smaller than bite-sized pieces since they'll expand in the soup. For our soup thickener, tapioca starch, cornstarch, water. We'll need some eggs whisked. And for aromatics, I'm using yellow onion and the bottom clusters of cilantro, which includes parts of the stem and the roots. Add water, aromatics, Fish Maw if you're using it, cover and boil on medium heat for 20 minutes. Discard the cilantro and onion. They've done their job. In goes crab meat, quail eggs, asparagus, cover and boil on medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, skim off the foam. Gradually add in the slurry little by little. Stir and add more until you get the desired thickness. You might not need all of it, or you might need to make more depending on how you like it. This soup reminds me of a hearty egg drop soup. Stir the soup in one direction continuously like this, while pouring in the whisked eggs slowly, little by little, to get streaks of eggs like this. The soup is quite festive for me since I've only had it at Vietnamese weddings. Season with granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. And fish sauce. Taste and adjust flavors to your liking. Here we have it, asparagus crab soup. Best eaten when it's piping hot. The soup is hearty, umami with essence of seafood flavors and aroma. Top with white or black pepper and diced scallion and cilantro. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe everyone.